boosting livestream engagement for a cheerful girl. Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to a TikTok software with features like generating comments for a livestream and boosting livestream engagement. Let's get started. Select the seeding livestream feature. Here are the configuration settings for the feature. Copy the URL of the livestream video and paste it into the software. Configure the settings. You can freely set the viewing time for each account. Next is the comment content. Prepare the comments you want to post and add them to this section. Each line will be a different comment that the accounts will use to comment on the video. Select the TikTok accounts you want to use to generate comments for the livestream, then click Start, and the software will automatically handle the rest. Increase views, generate comments. This is how we help boost your live stream's recommendation to reach more customers. Make sure to watch the full video. Goodbye and see you again.